Hi everyone. If you're dealing with sciatica or lower leg pain, this chair yoga session is here to help. We'll start with gentle warm-ups and then move into stretches to ease the tension. So go at your own pace and listen to your body. Okay, so we're going to begin on a nice sturdy chair, sitting forward, sitting in mountain pose. So sit up nice and tall, just rest your hands on top of your knees. And we're going to begin with our heel toe rocks, which will encourage circulation. So we're going to lift up onto the toes and then come down. And then lift the toes up, so you're going back onto your heels, so literally rocking back and forward and back and forward. That's it, just keep going back and forth. Lovely, so literally it just gets the circulation going. Back and forth, and great for your ankles obviously, and your feet, which tend to get a little bit neglected. Our poor old feet. That's it. So just do a few of these. Obviously stop when you've had enough. Okay, so we are going to staying with the circulation. We're going to do ankle circles. So hold on to your chair, put both hands on the opposite leg, whatever's most comfortable for you, and just do some circles with that right foot. And then back the other way. And release again. This is brilliant for your circulation. So point that toe and circle with that left foot. Back the other way. They don't have to be perfect circles, just get that foot moving. And release. So we've really worked on the circulation in the legs, which is great. So we're going to do a seated cat-cow now, which is great for your lower back. So hands on your knees, we're going to tuck the chin, pull the tummy in and come into cat pose, so you can feel that stretch in your lower back. So you're exhaling into cat and then inhale to cow. So they're the two moves, so you just go back and forth, exhale, round that back, bring those elbows forward so you're stretching the arms and the upper back, and then inhale. Bring that chest forward, open it up and take the shoulder blades back together. Back and forth with your breath, exhale cat, inhale cow. Do as many of these as feels good. We're just going to do a few more. We're going to do one more set. So exhale into cat, tuck your chin, round your back, and then inhale to your cow pose. So we've done the legs, we've encouraged good circulation in our legs and our feet, and we've worked on the lower back. We're going to release tension in the lower back now by doing a seated forward fold. So inhale your hands up. And then just fold forward. So just coming forward, imagine bringing your chest down to your thighs, come down to a point that's comfortable for you. You can place your hands on your knees, on your shins, on your feet, on a block, whatever is good for you. Just, you can feel that lovely stretch in the back. Remember, listen to your body. Don't strain. And then just use your hands to gently lift yourself back up. Inhale as you come up nice and slow. And then we'll take a nice deep breath in as well. Inhale up. Bring those arms down. And just give your shoulders a little roll, just loosening up. So now we're going to do a knee hug. So this is in preparation for the hip stretches. So we're going to bring that right knee up and we're going to hug it in. Now, as you do, you tend to want to collapse the body. So try and engage your core and sit up nice and tall and just bring that knee up as high as you can. Give it a hug. Okay, so try not to lean forward too much. That's it. Keep that core nice and strong. And release. Other side, inhale, grab it up. Hug it in. That's it. Sitting up nice and tall. And release. Once more. Bring that right leg up. Hug it in. Reaching up nice and tall. And release. Left side. Lovely. So we've done a couple of knee hugs either side. So we're going to go into figure 4 pose now, which will release tension in the hips and glutes. So we're going to bring that knee up again and hug it. Only this time we're going to grab the foot and place it on the left knee. So we're sitting up nice and tall. Now this may be enough of a move for you. You may not want to lean forward or put any gentle pressure on that knee, but if you do, if that feels good, then just sit up and you're really opening up that hip, let's say getting rid of the tension in the hips and glutes. I'm going to gently lean forward and just apply some gentle pressure and holding that foot so it just opens it up a little more, but listen to your body. If there's any pain, then come out of the pose. So just, I always say with yoga, this might be a little bit uncomfortable, but it shouldn't hurt. So if it does, just come out of the pose. Only you know your own body. And release. So just take that leg down. Just take a breath in between. There's no rush. And then bring that left leg up. So again, hug it in. And then grab that foot and place it on your right knee this time. Again, sitting up nice and tall. And stay here if that feels good to you. You can really feel it. You don't need to do anything else. It really does feel like a good stretch. So that's absolutely fine. I'm just going to come forward a little bit and just apply a tiny bit of pressure just to increase that stretch, because that works for me, but it may not for you. Listen to your body. And release. So release that leg. And again, sit up nice and tall. Just take a breath in between. And we're going to do a hamstring stretch now. So we're going to come a bit further forward on your chair so that you're supported, but that you can stretch that leg out. So you're going to bring that toe up, engage that thigh. And hands on your left knee. The right foot is poking up towards you, and you're just going to come forward. As you lean forward, you'll feel that hamstring stretch back of that right leg. So again, listen to your body. Don't strain. Breathe into it. And slowly come out. Bring that knee back. And we'll do the other side. So stretch out the left leg, lift those toes, hands on your right knee. Big breath in. Exhale, come forward. That's it. Really giving those legs a good stretch. Lovely. And release. So coming back. So we're going to do one more pose just to release any tension remaining in the lower back and hips. So we're sitting up nice and tall. We're going to do a spinal twist. So take your left hand onto your right knee and take that right hand behind you. Grab the back of your chair so you're slightly opening up, and then take a breath now. And as you exhale, try and turn and look over that right shoulder. You can use that hand to gently rotate the body round, but listen to your body again. So this is wonderful for your lower back. Very nurturing. Just breathe. And slowly release back to the front. As you come back, you can feel the release of tension. Well, I hope you can. I can, definitely. We'll do the twist on the other side. So the right hand on your left knee, left hand behind, grab your chair. Sit up nice and tall. Big breath in. Exhale. Look over your left shoulder. And just breathe. And release back to the front. Okay, so now just sit back a little bit on your chair and come into your seated mountain pose. So sitting up nice and tall, hands on top of your knees. And we'll just finish with a nice cleansing breath. And we inhale the hands up. Bring the palms together. We're going to exhale through the mouth. And namaste. Great job, everybody. Remember, the more often you practice, the more relief you'll feel. So keep trying, keep doing it. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know, especially if it helped, which I'm really praying it does. And I will look forward to seeing you next time. Take care. Bye.